So today I'm going to show you how to turn this into today I'm going to show you how to do a master bedroom makeover on a budget. I'm going to be using a lot of pinks and blushes, so make sure if you live with your husband or boyfriend that they're okay with those colors if you want to use them. Also, I'm going to be using tans, gold, champagne, and silver. I'll be showing you everything that I'm adding in the room. I'll leave it in the description below, so that way if you like anything I'm putting in my room, you can see if you can find it there. The things that I got to help with revamping my bedroom. I always wash blankets and stuff first. The sheets are finishing up washing right now. I got some pillowcases for the accent pillows, some new pillows because ours were all flat. And we actually did these letters. I bought them from Hobby Lobby, and they're actually wooden letters, as you can see. And then we spray painted them ourselves to match the bedroom. This one right here is a canvas print. I actually thought it would have a little bit more gold in it, but it just looks like yellow. So I might revamp that myself a little bit later. We got these lamps. The shades in the lamps are actually sold separate at Lowe's. I got a new basic hamper because ours always falls over. Some new curtain panels. These are from Walmart, just some sheer panels so we can get some light into our room. This flower from Amazon, as well as another smaller one to help with accents. And then we got these to hold back the curtains if we want them open. I actually got a new alarm clock since mine is pretty old. This one, it's super cute and it matches everything in the bedroom. And then I'm actually going to use this candle that I got for free from Victoria's Secret. I'm missing the sheets, but I'll show a picture. And the last two items are supposed to be shipping and on their way. They'll be the rug and a bench that we're gonna put at the bottom of our bed. We chose these letters to put above our bed for our initials. look what just came in today. The foot Ottoman that we got for the end of our bed. And also our rug. You can't see it yet because it's still in the plastic, but that's the brand. So out of the package, it does look like there was a little bit of staining on this carpet. And the edge right there is a little bit messed up. But that's okay. When it's rolled out, you shouldn't even be able to see it. Alright guys, so a little background on why we decided to go with this rug. Originally I was going to get something a little bit more patterned, so I was just browsing through rugs and I came across this one. I showed it to him. I kind of liked it. It was kind of as a joke, but he ended up actually really liking it. So since I did the entire room, I decided to go with whatever he wanted. And it was rolled up, so as you can see, it still wants to roll back up like that. This is the foot bench that I got for the end of my bed. I did get a storage one. That way when we go to sleep at night or we just want to relax in our bed, we can go ahead and put the throw pillows in there. This is what the bottom of the bench looks like. The bottom is put together with staples. The legs look actually really nice. And I just had to screw them on, no tools needed. Excuse the box and the hamper in the background. I'm trying to get the rug to flatten out. But this is what it looks like. It's really nice. I like that the color actually matches our bed very well. It is in the pattern of squares. Our bed is actually in the pattern of diamonds, but that's okay. It's actually very elegant looking. I like it with the little legs. All right, so this is the finished product. It actually looks super cute. I just have to get it a little more centered maybe. The rug actually looks really nice underneath it. One last thing we need to upgrade, and that is our dresser. This is the dresser my grandpa made for me as a young preteen, and I have had it ever since. So if you have any ideas that would match the room, leave a link down below, comment, let me know what you think. So let's take a look at what the bedroom looks like now. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for the support. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for notifications on new videos. Take care everyone. Bye!